Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn stability of substituted benzyl carbocations and substituted benzyl carbanions. Okay, this topic from applications of resonance. So I explained the applications of resonance in last video. The stability of conjugated system, stability of allyl carbocation, carbanion, everything I explained in last video. I will provide the link for that video in description. You can refer through that. Okay. So here substituted benzyl carbocation. Benzyl carbocation means what? This is the structure of benzyl carbocation. This is benzyl carbocation. What is benzyl carbanion? Negatively charged. Carbanion CH2 minus. Okay, this is benzyl carbanion. Okay, but here the topic is about substituted benzyl carbocations and substituted benzyl carbanions. Substituted with what? Okay, what kind of groups? Here there are two types of groups, plus R groups, minus R groups. Okay, plus R groups are electron donating groups. If electron donating group present on the donating group, or you can term it as plus R group. So what are the plus R groups and minus R groups? I will give you. Okay, so if donating group present here, electron donating group present on the ring, substituted on the ring, so that can stabilize the carbocation, because this molecule is suffering from deficiency of electrons, because electron deficiency there, positive charge, no, and there is a donating group, electron donating group, so it can stabilize. So stability increases when, if plus R groups, or you can say electron donating groups, are present on the ring. Here stability increases. In this case stability increases. Suppose if electron withdrawing group present on the benzyl carbocation, electron withdrawing group present on the ring. Withdrawing group means here you can say minus R group, minus R group. Okay, so already deficiency there, again it is withdrawing the electrons from the ring, from the molecule. It is electrons withdrawing, means the stability decreases. So these groups are destabilizing the molecule. What these groups doing here? Destabilizing the molecule. Okay, in this case stability decreases. Stability decreases. Okay, is it clear? If electron donating group means plus R group present on the ring, the stability increases for benzyl carbocation. If minus R group, that is electron withdrawing group present on the ring, it destabilizes the molecule, stability decreases. Okay, it is opposite to the benzyl carbanion. Okay, here if electron withdrawing group present, that is minus R group, if electron withdrawing group present here, stability increases. Stability increases. If electron donating group, already there are excess of electrons showing this negative charge. If electron donating group, or you can say here plus R group present, in this case stability decreases. Stability decreases. Okay, hope this concept is clear to you. Now what are plus R groups, what are minus R groups? Okay, let us see now. Minus R groups, generally minus R groups are electron withdrawing groups. Generally electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing groups. So what kind of groups acts as minus R groups? Here I am giving some groups. So you have to remember, you have to read more and more times, then only you can remember these groups. NO2 cyanide group, sulfonyl group, aldehyde group, keto group, carboxylic acid group, and acyl halide group, ester group, amide group. All these are examples for minus R groups. Okay, electron withdrawing groups. Then what are plus R groups? Plus R group generally electron donating groups. Electron donating groups. Electron donating to the ring. Okay. So what kind of groups here? This oxygen with negative charge. These are all methyl group. See, hydroxy group also electron donating group. Plus R group we will consider as plus R group. Amine group. Alkoxy group. Okay, these are all plus R groups or electron donating groups. Okay, so if these group present on the carbocation carbanion, how these groups affect on the stability of benzyl carbocation and benzyl carbanion, let us see. Okay, here I am taking carbocation, benzyl carbocation. To this benzyl carbocation, this position is called ortho position. Any substituted benzene, in any substituted benzene, this position next to that substituent, that position is called ortho position, and this position is meta position, and this is para position to this substituent. Okay, para position. Okay, yeah, see here we must remember one thing, resonance effect on benzene ring only at ortho position and para position, you must remember. Okay, so this is all about some mechanism, but here forget about the mechanism. You must remember here resonance effect on ortho position and para position also, only at ortho position and para position, not at meta position. So this statement you must remember. Okay, so resonance showing effect on ortho position and para position. There is no resonance effect at meta position, not meta position. Clear? Okay. Okay, first case, let us consider carbocation with electron withdrawing group, benzyl carbocation with electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group, I am taking one electron withdrawing group, NO2. NO2 at meta position and NO2 at ortho position, here meta position, and NO2 at para position I am taking. Okay, so generally electron withdrawing groups destabilize the molecule generally, but even though among these three, 1, 2, 3, among these three, what is more stable? Okay, so here there are two types of effect, minus I effect, because this is also minus I group. Okay, now inductive effect, I explained inductive effect also, the video is available in the channel, you refer that. Okay, so at this position minus I effect there and minus R effect there, both are there, minus I effect minus R effect. Both effect withdrawing the electrons. So both are destabilizing the carbocation. But in the case of 2, here only minus I effect, there is no minus R effect. As I said now, resonance effect only shows influence on ortho position and para position only, not at meta position. Not at meta position. Okay, so here minus I effect there, minus R effect. Both effects are working at a ortho position, so strongly withdrawing the electrons. But here only one effect acting at a meta position, there is no resonance. And here also minus I effect there, minus R effect, both effects are there. Okay, but when compared to first case, here the minus I effect, minus R effect minimum, but here very close to that positive charge, no, here these two effects are maximum. Okay, right. Now see, among these three, here only one effect withdrawing the electrons, so 2 will be the most stable. Okay, here two effects are destabilizing the benzyl carbocation, but here only one effect is destabilizing the carbocation, benzyl carbocation. So 2 is more stable. Among these two, at third position, that effects are minimum. So this is more stable. After that, the first one. This is the stability order when benzyl carbocation with electron withdrawing group, that is minus I minus R group. Okay, is this clear? Right. Suppose electron donating group present on this benzyl carbocation. Let us see. Okay, this is when the electron withdrawing group present. I am taking here benzyl carbocation when electron donating group at ortho position. Electron donating group, methyl group generally it is electron donating group at meta position and at para position. Okay, we know that electron donating groups can stabilize the carbocations. Okay, electron donating groups stabilizing the carbocation. Okay, now this is plus I group, plus I and plus R group both are acting at this ortho position, and this is maximum. This effect is maximum here. Here only plus I effect, because at meta position there is no resonance effect. Here plus I effect plus R effect, as the distance is more, then here this is what minimum effect is minimum. Here two effects are stabilizing the carbocation. Here one effect stabilizing the carbocation, here also two effect stabilizing the carbocation. But among these three, first one is more stable because two effects are stabilizing. Then third one is more stable, here also two effects, but when compared to third one, in first case the effect is maximum. Then least stable is second one. This is the stability order. Okay, right. So when the withdrawing group present, when donating group present, and some groups are there with the minus I plus R effect. Okay, what are that? Generally methoxy group can act as minus I plus R effect. Minus I plus R effect. Chlorine also can act as minus I plus R effect. Okay, it shows the resonance as well as minus I effect also. Okay, if this group present on the carbocation, benzyl carbocation, how the stability will be, let us see. I am taking here on benzyl carbocation methoxy group at ortho position. Methoxy group at methoxy group is the minus I plus R group. Okay, here I am taking it meta position, and here I am taking at para position. Okay, what are the effects showing influence here? This is minus I plus R. Here minus I only, because there is no resonance effect at meta position. This is minus I plus R. Okay, so plus R stabilize the carbocation, plus R effect stabilize the carbocation, minus I effect destabilize the carbocation. Minus I means withdrawing electrons, plus R means donating the electron. So when compared to these two, this is least stable because there is no donation at all. So assume this is species 1, this is species 2, and this is 3. Second one is least stable. Second one is least stable as it is not having any donating of electrons, donation of electrons, okay, not to nullify the charge. Okay, so second one is least stable. Now compare these two. Here resonance effect and here resonance effect. Resonance effect always whether it is at ortho position or para position, it is same. Here I said this maximum minimum, this is about inductive effect, not resonance effect. Resonance effect at ortho position and para position, that capacity is same. Okay, so now compare this minus I effect, inductive effect. Here minus I effect maximum, this is minimum. Okay, now minus I effect destabilize the carbocation, we know that. So here it is more destabilizing, it is less destabilizing. I hope you are following. Okay, so the third one is more stable because this minus I effect is minimum here. Okay, then after first one, this is the stability order of benzyl carbocation when minus I and plus R group present. Is it clear? Okay, so if chlorine present on the benzyl carbocation, chlorine actually minus I plus R group, right? So on benzyl carbocation, if chlorine present at ortho position, chlorine present at meta position, and chlorine at para position. Okay, in this case, when only halogen present on the benzyl carbocation, here we must consider only it depends on the inductive effect. It depends on inductive effect. Inductive effect. Okay, this is minus I group, no? So here minus I, here minus I, here minus I. We are not considering plus R character for chlorine. Okay, here only it depends on only the chlorine present on the benzene group, benzene ring. We must remember the inductive effect only predominates. Okay, now, so which is more stable here? This is the electron withdrawing capacity, here electron withdrawing capacity, here electron withdrawing capacity. In three cases electron withdrawing only. Okay, so electron withdrawing means it is destabilizing the carbocation. But when compared to first two, in third case the destabilization is less because of distance. Okay, it is far away from the positive charge. So third one is more stable than second one is more stable than first one. Okay, so this is the stability order of benzyl carbocation when electron withdrawing group present, that is minus R group present at ortho, meta and para position, plus R group present ortho, meta, para positions. Okay, minus I plus R group present at ortho, meta, para position when halogen present at ortho, meta, para positions. Okay, so next let us discuss the stability of benzyl carbanion. Okay, stability of benzyl carbanions. Okay, benzyl carbanion can be stabilized by withdrawing group generally. This is benzyl carbanion. Benzyl carbanion If donating group present on this, it will be destabilized. If withdrawing group present on the ring, it can be stabilized. Okay. Now in first case I am taking withdrawing group at ortho position, withdrawing group at meta position, and withdrawing group at this is minus R minus I group at para position. Okay. So as we discussed earlier, here minus I effect minus R effect both are acting, dominating. Here minus I effect only, here minus I effect minus R effect, but minus I is minimum here, minus I maximum here. Okay. So withdrawing group means it is stabilizing. In three cases it is stabilizing. Here two effects are stabilizing. In first and third cases two effects are stabilizing, but in second case only one effect, that is inductive effect, stabilizing. So it must be the least stable. Okay. Now among these two, minus I effect is maximum here, so this must be more stable. Then after third one. Okay, this is the stability order when minus I minus R group present on the carbanion. Now I am taking here, if plus I plus R group present on benzyl carbanion, I am taking methyl group. Methyl group we will consider as plus I plus R group at meta position. Okay, at a para position. Here plus I plus R, here plus I only, plus I plus R, plus I minimum here, plus I maximum here. Okay. So it is, as it is plus I plus R group, it is destabilizing, right? Here two effects are destabilizing, here two effects are destabilizing, but the destabilization capacity is more here because my plus I effect maximum. So this must be the first one, must be least stable because two groups are destabilizing the carbanion. Okay. So after that, this is least stable. After that, compare these two. In third case there are two effects destabilizing. Okay. So here only one effect is destabilizing, so second one must be most stable. This is stability order. Okay. Now case 3, if minus I plus R group present, what is the stability order? Let us see. Okay. So I am taking methoxy group at ortho position, at meta position, and at a para position. Okay. So here minus I effect, here minus I effect, here also minus I effect in three cases. Here minus I effect maximum, here minus I effect minimum. Here plus R effect, here plus R effect, there is no plus R effect, there is no resonance effect at meta position, right? So here in three cases minus I effect there, but in the case of first one and third one there is electron donation, but there is no electron donation in second case. So second one must be the most stable because electron donation will destabilize the carbanion, right? So in second case this is most stable. Now compare these two. Here resonance, here resonance, in both cases resonance, but here inductive effect, it is maximum, it is withdrawing the electrons. Okay. So first one, because maximum minus I effect, it is withdrawing electron and stabilizing the molecule, and finally third one. Okay. 2 1 3. Okay, why the second one is more stable? Because electron donation not there. In these two cases, electron donating effects are acting, that is plus R effect. Okay, this is the order of stability in benzyl carbene ion. Clear? Pick. It's not so easy, so you have to think more about this. Okay, thanks for watching.